So those were the top headlines of the hour. Moving to the top story of the hour, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of multiple developmental projects worth over rupees 48,520 crore in Karakat, Bihar. The Prime Minister also held a roadshow in Karakat, after which he addressed the public gathered there. In the remarks that he made, the Prime Minister delivered a strong message on the success of Operation Sindoor as well as India's zero tolerance for terror, stating that after the Pahalgam terror attack, he has made the promise of raising terror hideouts in Bihar and he has returned there after fulfilling his promise. The Prime Minister hailed the courage of BSF and the armed forces during the operation, while paying his respect to BSF Sub-Inspector Imtiaz, who hailed from Bihar and lost his life on May 10th amidst cross-border tensions with Pakistan. Let's in fact listen into what Prime Minister Modi said.
अभी पहलगाम में जम्मू कश्मीर में आतंकी हमला हुआ था। हमारे कितने निर्दोष नागरिक मारे गए। इस जघन्य आतंकी हमले के बाद एक दिन के बाद मैं बिहार आया था और मैंने बिहार की धरती से देश को वादा किया था, वचन दिया था, बिहार की धरती पर आंख में आंख मिलाकर हमने कह दिया था, आतंक के आकाओं के ठिकानों को मिट्टी में मिला दिया जाएगा।
We have with us Group Captain UK Devnath joining us on the telecast. He's a defense expert. Group Captain UK Devnath, when we're talking about Prime Minister Modi, he earlier addressed in Bihar and he talked about India's zero tolerance towards for terror and against terrorism. So when we're talking about the remarks that he made while he was addressing the public in Bihar, what is exactly your stance on this?
Ria, a very important message from Prime Minister of India from the soil of Bihar to Pakistan, that in case Pakistan again resorts to any kind of a terror activity against India, especially in Jammu and Kashmir, then India will not tolerate. This time we will not make it dossier and give evidence to Pakistan. This time we are going to act the way we acted during Sindoor. Operation Sindoor showed a new benchmarking to Pakistan that what India can do. We can do better than Uri, we can do better than Balakot, as indeed we showed them. We hit all their terror camps on the night of 7th May, and then when they did not understand our warnings, initial warnings, they tried to ignore us. We hit them back very badly on the night of 9th and 10th May. We hit their 9 air bases and 2 Air Force radar installations. This showed very clear to Pakistan, their establishment, their political and military leaders, that India has now decided to use a different, more harsh, more tough yardstick while dealing with Pakistan. Yes, Ria?
All right, Group Captain UK Devnath, stay on with us. We have more developments coming in. The Prime Minister also delivered a fiery speech against